I have seen a lot of videos going around lately on social media about people doing some pretty insane things with the action button on the new iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. One of the most popular videos going around is a guy using his action button to order a latte from Starbucks just from a simple click, and I'll go ahead and put his TikTok username in the description below this video. But this inspired me to create a video series for you guys to figure out the coolest things we can do with the action button, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the action button to either order a latte or your most frequent order from Starbucks so that it's on the counter waiting for you when you arrive. But I want to go ahead and show you guys the step-by-step process so that you can order your favorite drink from Starbucks ahead of time just by pressing the action button. And by the way, this will take a few minutes, so make sure to just bear with me here and follow along step by step. And trust me, you will be happy you did. Maybe not your bank account though. The first thing you will want to do is open your iPhone settings and scroll down until you see action button. Go ahead and click on it, and then you will be able to see all of the basic functions you can do with the action button, which I am assuming most of you already know what the majority of these functions do. And the second step here is to scroll over until you see the shortcuts icon, and this is where we can set up some of the more advanced things with the action button, and we're going to come back to the screen in a little bit. For right now, go ahead and open the Shortcuts app, and you will want to press the plus icon in the top right here to add a brand new shortcut. Next, go ahead and click the Add Action button, and then click Apps on the right side and scroll down until you see the Starbucks app. If you don't already have the Starbucks app, you won't be able to see it, so make sure to go ahead and download it and create an account, and then it will pop up here just like mine, and you will want to go ahead and click on it. Here we can see some different options, but you will want to click on Order Ahead. You can slightly edit the shortcut to be more specific with what drink option you want and which Starbucks location you are ordering from. If you do click on Order, you can see the most recent drinks you ordered from the Starbucks app, and then you can select one of these three different options, or just leave it as it is so that you can choose which one you want after you press the action button. For right now, I am just going to press option 3. And now we can choose the specific store that we want to pick up our order from, and if you click store and there's no options, just like mine, that means you can pick your store location later on after you press the action button. So that's all we have to do to create the shortcut, and now you can just rename it to whatever you'd like. I think I'm going to rename mine as just Order Starbucks, and then I'm going to press done. And then in the top right corner, we will press done again, and you will be able to see your new shortcut right here that we just created. Now the one downside to using the action button is unfortunately we can't choose any drink we want in shortcuts without pulling up the Starbucks app, but it will give us the option to choose our most frequent order from the app, which is better than nothing. All we need to do now is go back to our action button settings, scroll over until we see shortcuts, and then you will want to click right here to see all of our shortcuts, and go ahead and click on the new one that we just made. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now you can press your action button and it will activate your Starbucks order so that you can select your drink, the right Starbucks location, and you can press the something else button and it will pull up the Starbucks app. I do wish there was more customizable options within the Starbucks app and shortcuts so that we could choose any drink or item we wanted to, but at least it does still pull up our most frequent order that we can choose from. And I guess we can always just choose the action button to pull up the Starbucks app a little bit quicker. If you guys have any questions at all, make sure to comment down below and I will try my best to get back to you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button because it helps my channel way more than you'd think. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace!